Tomato ketchup. Heinz versus Mitchell's. How it's made. Tomato ketchup is one of the most loved condiments in the world. Whether it's drizzled on fries, used as a dip for nuggets, or spread inside a burger, it has become a household essential. But have you ever wondered how this tangy red sauce is actually made? Today, we'll take you behind the scenes of two giants in the ketchup industry, Heinz from the USA and Mitchell's from Pakistan, to see how each factory turns farm-fresh tomatoes into the world's favorite sauce. It all begins at the farms. In the United States, Heinz sources its tomatoes from large-scale farms in California, where special hybrid tomatoes are grown to have thicker flesh and higher solids, perfect for ketchup. In Pakistan, Mitchell's works with local farmers across Punjab, where the fertile soil and hot climate produce juicy, flavorful tomatoes. Despite the difference in geography, both companies rely on carefully selected varieties to maintain consistency in taste and texture. Once harvested, the tomatoes are transported quickly to the factories. Speed is crucial. Freshness ensures the natural flavor is locked in. At both Heinz and Mitchell's plants, the tomatoes are unloaded and sent through high-pressure water channels, where they are washed thoroughly to remove dirt, leaves, and stems. Automated sorting systems then separate ripe tomatoes from damaged ones, ensuring only the best go forward. The cleaned tomatoes are then chopped and sent into massive steam-heated tanks for blanching. This step loosens the skins, making it easier to remove them. Mechanical peelers strip off the skin, while seeds and pulp are separated out. What remains is pure, thick tomato pulp. This is the base of ketchup. Now comes the cooking process. At Heinz factories in the USA, the pulp is transferred into large vacuum steam kettles, where it is slowly concentrated into tomato paste. At Mitchell's in Pakistan, the process is similar, but with slightly different equipment, as local energy-efficient boilers are often used to suit regional requirements. Once the paste is ready, the magic of flavor begins. For Heinz, a carefully guarded recipe is followed. Salt, vinegar, sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, and secret spices are blended in precise amounts. The use of distilled white vinegar gives Heinz its sharp tins, while natural cane sugar adds sweetness. Mitchell's, on the other hand, uses a slightly different balance, sometimes with a hint of local spice influence and cane sugar sourced from Pakistan's sugarcane belt. Both companies rely on exact measurements, with computerized dosing systems ensuring that every batch tastes the same. The mixture is then cooked under controlled heat and pressure, thickening into the rich, smooth ketchup we recognize. During this stage, strict quality checks are performed. Technicians test for acidity, viscosity, and flavor consistency. If the batch passes, it moves on to the final stage, bottling and packaging. At Heinz's modern plants in the USA, high-speed filling machines pump ketchup into iconic glass bottles and squeezable plastic containers. Labels are automatically applied, and bottles are sealed, checked for leaks, and boxed for distribution. At Mitchell's plants, a similar process takes place. Though regional packaging preferences play a role, glass bottles are common in Pakistan, with plastic pouches also widely available for family use. Finally, pallets of finished ketchup are stored in climate-controlled warehouses, ready to be shipped across the country and around the world. Heinz ketchup travels globally, found on restaurant tables in over 150 countries. Mitchell's, while more regional, is a household favorite across Pakistan and exported to select international markets where South Asian consumers seek its familiar taste. And that's how two different factories, one in the USA and one in Pakistan, transform fresh tomatoes into bottles of delicious ketchup. Whether it's Heinz with its sharp, tangy flavor or Mitchell's with its locally beloved taste, both brands show how tradition, technology, and careful craftsmanship come together to create the perfect red sauce we love.